date, we have gone from 85% operational about a year and a half ago to our current 95% operational rate out of all of our 660 units. That is a major milestone to be celebrated here at our airport, and our conveyance team standing here behind me continues to do outstanding work to make that happen. To date this year, we've modernized 17, we have another 21 in progress, and we'll have 38 done by the end of this year. So we have a new rate of about 38 to 40 modernizations that we'll be doing every year, along with major repairs and annual maintenance cycles.
This is the team that maintains our elevators, escalators, and moving walks. They oversee multiple contracts for repairs, for modernizations, for inspections, for maintenance.
With the work that they do, we have more in-service units here at MIA than we've had in quite some time. The reliability of the units is there, and each day just keeps getting better and better to bring you the best MIA possible.